What if human life suddenly stopped? Would the earth cry for us? No, it would breathe again. Forests would reclaim our empty cities. Rivers would run clear. Animals we hunted would walk without fear. Because the truth is, humans are the only species that poisons its own home. We destroy forests, pollute oceans, and wipe out entire species for convenience. We call ourselves intelligent. But we are the only ones who build our own extinction. Without us, Earth would heal. Not in centuries, but in decades. And maybe that's the real question. Are we the most advanced species, or just the most destructive?